Hello, I'm Brian McDonald, Superintendent of the Pasadena Unified School District.
And I'm Terry Tornick, Mayor of the City of Pasadena.
Dia de los Muertos is a tradition in Mexico that goes back more than 3,000 years and is now celebrated around the world. Over 2 days, life and death are celebrated in an explosion of art, color, and joy. Families and communities demonstrate love and respect for lost loved ones with ofrendas or offerings, marigolds and other flowers, parades, costumes, and food.
In Pasadena, our own Tournament of Roses has an unrivaled tradition of festivities and flowers. This year, the Tournament of Roses invites children and youth to participate in a nationwide competition of the art of Dia de los Muertos. PUSD has a wonderful tradition of arts education that reflects Pasadena's passion for the visual and performing arts. And we're excited to bring this competition to the students of PUSD.
Thanks to partners like the Pasadena Tournament of Roses, we're connecting art to classrooms. To enter the art competition, you must be between the ages of 4 and 18. Your masterpiece can take any shape or form as long as it celebrates, reflects, and honors the traditions of Dia de los Muertos.
A few ideas for your masterpieces include: build an ofrenda, create an art piece featuring marigolds or monarch butterflies, make a traditional Dia de los Muertos costume, create a floral arrangement, build a visual art presentation, or make and decorate a sugar skull. Write a literary calavera or satirical poem that pokes fun at public figures.
Entries are due October 28th. To submit your entry, simply create your masterpiece, capture it with photos or video, write a brief description with your name, school, and grade, and send it to marketing@tournamentofroses.com. Remember, entries are due October 28th, so complete your masterpiece now. We're excited to see what you create.